这个三合院是我爷爷建的嘛，历史已经超过100年了嘛。那我们公司1960到目前来讲也60年了。那希望光影这个事业像我爷爷一样，建立这房子能超过100年。我们要如何把这个历史传统把它延续下去？我想持续的创新，跟着时代去做改变，这个部分是非常重要的。We are the second beginning Mac woodworking company in Taiwan. We choose our main product is the sewing machine, rip saw and the cut-off saw. Right now, my company more than 90% is exported. The local market is less than 5%. The biggest manufacturer woodworking is Germany, second is Italy. If your machine want to have a good quality, you should sell to the European. But European, you need the scie certification. So the scie is very important for my company. We want to show Kuang Yung the machinery. The most important, we not only want to make cutting-edge machine, but also we want to offer the machine is affordable. Why the smart machine? Because the young generation, they don't want to do this kind of the field. And also the good technician in factory, they are getting old. The material getting more and more expensive. So only the smart machine can solution the problem. In 1998, I think the CNC machine, the smart machine is a future trend. For the Taipei show, the machine that specialized first of all is smart machine. You can scanner and automation and movable rip saw. Also, they can give the customer the report. I think the most important is this machine can save the material, save the manpower. Also, it can cut in and directly glue join the product. If traditional machine maybe need 15 person, but my machine only 4 person. My company have a different range of the product, so depending on the customer, we can offer a suitable machine for the customer. Even we also can custom made for some requests, like in-fit outfit system, let the machine more automation, match for the green product, automation, and the customer made for the Taipei show. Welcome to visit Wood Taiwan show.